What's the meaning of carbs? Carbs. Carbs.
Carbs. Carbs. Carbs is an abbreviated form of carbohydrates, which are one of the three macronutrients that our body needs to function properly. Carbs provide us energy and are found in a variety of foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and legumes. There are two types of carbohydrates, simple and complex. Simple carbs, also known as sugars, are easily broken down by our body to provide quick energy, while complex carbs take longer to digest and provide sustained energy. Consuming too much of simple carbs can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which can have negative health effects.